Imagine waking up and realizing your job vanished overnight. Not because you were replaced, but because something smarter, faster, and absolutely unchecked took over. This isn't sci-fi anymore. This is unfolding right now. And no one's hitting the brakes. Watch till the end for the tool that made me $100. So here's my question to you: who protects humanity when the technology designing the future no longer needs permission? Or even supervision? That's the danger of unregulated AI. And today, we're pulling the curtain back. Let's open with something simple. A trick anyone can try. Ask your favorite AI tool, what jobs do humans perform inefficiently? Wait for the answer. Then imagine it implemented at scale. That's how disruption begins. Quiet, invisible, and irreversible. But here's the real threat: it's not AI replacing jobs. It's AI making decisions we never approved. Hiring decisions, firing decisions, loan approvals, criminal justice predictions, and eventually, policy suggestions. Think about that. Machines influencing governments. Without regulation. Without accountability. Without ethics. So here's a question no one asks: who audits the algorithms? Because right now, the answer is nobody. Companies build them, deploy them, profit from them, then hide the code, while the rest of us deal with the consequences. And the consequences are brutal. Job markets collapsing, wage pressure rising, skill gaps exploding, entire departments wiped out, before governments even notice. Let me pressure test a belief you might have. AI will create new jobs, maybe. But ask yourself, will they be created as fast as they're destroyed? Will you be trained in time? Will the average worker have a safety net? Or will the wealth gap stretch even further? That's the uncomfortable truth. Unregulated AI doesn't evolve equally. It benefits the few, while the many struggle to catch up. But there's another layer. AI models learn faster than oversight can react. Meaning every update puts regulators another step behind. And when you fall behind in tech, you don't catch up. You just get replaced. Here's a chilling example: autonomous decision systems already outperform humans in pattern analysis, prediction, optimization, negotiation, even persuasion. So what happens when AI becomes the one persuading you? Recommending, nudging, shaping your choices. Without transparency, without guardrails, without giving you the option to say no. And now let's zoom out. Think about warfare. Unregulated AI in weapon systems. Deciding targets. Activating drones. Evaluating threats without human eyes on the decision. A mistake isn't a bug. It's a catastrophe. So how did we get here? Simple. Innovation moves fast. Regulation moves slow. And profit moves faster than both. Every company is racing. Whoever builds the strongest AI wins. Wins the market. Wins the attention. Wins the future. But when everyone's racing, nobody's checking the map. That's when accidents happen. Not because AI is evil, but because humans cut corners, ignore risks, skip safety steps, push models beyond limits, and assume nothing will go wrong. But something will. And we're not prepared. Another question for you: if AI becomes the world's largest workforce, who becomes responsible when it fails? The company? The coder? The machine? Or nobody? That gray area is where the danger hides. And here's the twist: regulators aren't fully trained in AI. They're learning as they go. But tech evolves too fast. And the gap widens every year. So what does humanity do? Fight it? Ban it? Slow it down? None of those work. The world runs on competition. Someone will build the next model. Somewhere. With or without rules. So the only real solution is controlled progress. Safe scaling. Transparent audits. Global oversight. But we're not there yet. So workers are exposed. Companies are experimenting. Data is being exploited. Ethics are being negotiated. And the public is left behind. If you're feeling the tension, good. It means you're paying attention. Because ignoring this is the fastest path to becoming obsolete. And this channel exists to keep you ahead. Like this? Subscribe so you don't miss the next drop. Now let's break down the workforce impact deeper. AI doesn't eliminate jobs randomly. It targets patterns. And anything repetitive is the first to go. Data entry. Accounting basics. Customer support. Sales outreach. Editing. Basic coding. Logistic planning. Documentation. Market research. Scheduling. Even writing. But here's the part most people miss. Once foundational roles disappear, the higher level roles lose support. Then they collapse too. That's economic domino effect. And it's already in motion. But here's the bright spot. If you understand AI early and position yourself right, you won't be replaced. You'll lead the future. The winners will be the ones who adapt. Learn tools. Build workflows. Use AI to amplify, not replace, their skills. That's why I share these strategies weekly. To keep you ahead of the curve. And there's a tool coming up that made me an easy $100. Stay with me, so let's finish strong. The biggest danger of unregulated AI isn't job loss. Isn't misinformation. Isn't automation. It's dependence. A world where humans stop thinking. Stop questioning. Stop learning. And hand over everything to systems we never controlled. That's the nightmare scenario. But that's why you're here. To understand it. To stay ahead of it. And to future-proof yourself. Before the wave hits. And yes, you can still profit in the AI era. You can still build. Still earn. Still thrive. If you learn smart. And move early. Speaking of earning, here's the tool I promised. This one made me $100. And anyone can use it. Inside Pictory AI, combine voiceovers plus AI clips plus automated editing to turn ideas into monetizable videos fast. Short form. Long form. Tutorials. Reviews. Case studies. The system does the heavy lifting. Your job is strategy. And the strategy works. So try it. Build with it. Experiment with it. Start earning with it. And tomorrow, we go deeper. We go bigger. And we go smarter. Tomorrow's upload is the one that changes everything. Hit subscribe. Tap the bell. And stay ahead. Because the future rewards the prepared.